Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rock River Thresheree. It's Wisconsin Greg. I'm going to show you some of the little engines that were used years ago around the farm. These are newer ones right here, but some of these older ones are hit and miss engines. A lot of times they were used to pump water, I guess. They were kind of way before my time. Not way before, but before my time. And I think you can hear why they call them hit and miss. Some people collect these things. It's kind of a hobby. Very interesting to watch them run. They do everything from pumping water to running little saws and all kinds of stuff. I think even washing machines. Some of you might not like the smell of this stuff, but I love it.
Especially when you're doing this truck. I grabbed my phone the other day, it's right under my feet, I'm trying to dry it.
When you go stay with them, they want you to come back and stay with them again. And when they report somewhere, they want to be invited back and come back again. So that's the name behind the that for it. One of the big traditions for the Rock River Thresheree is our annual Member Memorial. The Rock River Thresheree was founded 6 years ago on the Southwest Farm. Down there, there's a speed tractor there. The guys come the other way, they thought it would be a good idea to pick up that old speed tractor and fresh a little bit at the horsepower. Well, 66 years later, you can see what it's evolved into. It's a 100% volunteer organization. We have over the course of 5 months, somewhere in the 700 numbers in chronological order. So we're in the 700 range. But each year, our memorial engine this year is a 75 horsepower.
They cut off the log in real thin pieces and then they spray paint a stencil. I think it says Rock River Thresheree or something on it. I'm not sure. You might be able to see it when he's done here. And they usually hand them out to some lucky person here.
This is a 1912 75 horsepower case engine, part of the John Malarkey collection for many years. Nathan Howard the owner and driver today. Another one of our many traditions here at the Thresheree is the annual crowning of the Rock River Thresheree Queen. Because it was a show where lifelong love of old tractors and steam engines began for her. Her dad became a member when he came out to work, and she usually came along. The week before, she would help make as much dinner for the workers, and she remembers it well as she was only 10. In 1972, her dad became secretary of the club, and he designed the logo.
It's pretty cool.
Even before she joined the club,
Guy tried to pay him for it, he won't take nothing.
her time to help out
Awesome.
the show, from cutting down small trees for the mini sawmill